So this is my friend's 240 motor. It is a KA24DE. His car hasn't ran in about 3 or 4 years, and we want to try to get it going. And he's sick of it looking at it just sitting in his garage. We'll show you more about the car later, but for now I want to talk about what we have done and what's going on for his motor setup and how we're going to get it running. For now, everything is pretty much stock on the motor. We did put ARP head studs in it, a new gasket, a cosmetic gasket, I believe. It just lowers the compression for the motor because he is going to boost it. If you want to show him, that's the turbo setup over there.
And then what are these motors for?
So this motor, he just picked it up last week. He got it from a guy in North Carolina. The only reason why we got this engine was because it had all the accessories for it. When I got this motor, this used to be my motor, but I'm letting him have it so he can get his car going.
You're such a nice guy.
Yeah.
You're such a nice guy, Adam.
Yeah.
Have a motor too?
Yeah, this motor was it was actually blown, and we got it back from the machine shop.
Really?
The whole problem was
Oh!
It's a bent rod. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, you can see it.
Pretty gnarly.
That is
but yeah, this motor was it wasn't too bad. The machine shop guy fixed it, so at the end of the build and when we get it ready to start, we'll see if it runs. But yeah, the accessories that we need from this engine is the intake manifold, the distributor right here, the power steering pump, and that's pretty much it. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it is what would basically get this motor going.
Well, 3 years later, the day has come. She's been collecting dust. Might be one of the cleanest, although it doesn't look right now. Might be one of the cleanest 240s that's unmolested. Just needs some love and care.
So this is Justin's 240. Man, I love this car. It's super clean. Yeah, underneath it, I mean, it doesn't have really good footage of like underneath the car because it's not jacked up or anything, but it's really nice. And he's going to show you the engine bay, and I think you'll appreciate it.
Well, as you can see, it's missing something.
Yeah, it's missing something, all right. Well, the engine bay, it's okay. It needs a little TLC and a little help. We'll fix that in the future. But check this out.
Let's get a shop tour?
Yeah.
Can we get a shop tour?
Sure.
Let's do it.
Sorry, it's really crammed in here. I definitely collect a lot of stuff here.
You're good. This is shop number 1, right?
Yeah, this is, you could say it's like storage, but yeah, you could call it a shop.
Yeah, I think it is storage now. Like how you have all this hanging, bro.
Yeah.
What is all this?
Just, so I have an S13. I've always really liked the Navin kit, and so over the years I've collected the Navin bumper. This is the Navin bumper, and that's the red wing is the Navin wing, and the side skirts are Navin side skirts too. So it's the whole Navin kit, and it's really hard to piece these parts because like everyone wants like either the bumper and then they want to change the side skirt. So it was a little, it took years to get it, but I got it. So I got all the pieces except for the rear valances. They're like $500, and they're just like this big of a piece
that is not worth
that goes behind the tire. So
no way.
Yeah,
no way.
I'm good. I'd rock some fake ones. I'm
there
good
you
with
go.
that.
Yeah, hell yeah. What about these motors? What are these?
So
LS?
Yeah. Yeah. So the
Where's
LS.
That going, dude?
So that LS is going into my S14, the 240 SX. S14.
Subscribe to see that.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to stay tuned, get that project going.
And then
I also have an AE86. I've already pretty much almost built it. The only thing it really needs is a tune. I know everyone says like at the end like, oh, it just needs a tune when it's but yeah, it needs a tune.
Does it really? That's it, huh? We'll throw some pictures up on screen.
Yeah, I'll throw some pictures of it. It's really cool. It's a really cool build. I love the Corolla. I love my S14 and I love my Corolla. Those are my two favorite cars. The S14 was my first car, actually.
Dude, really?
Yeah, it was my first car, and I've had it since I was in college. So
nice.
Yeah.
And I see something poking out under this. What is?
Those are other SR.
What is this?
Yeah, those are other SR20 motors that
Okay.
have that were sitting in a guy's yard.
Sitting in a guy's yard?
Yeah, they were
Really?
just sitting outside.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You gotta tell us about this. Oh, speaking of the 86.
Oh yeah, the 86.
Ooh.
Yeah, if you
Dude.
peep.
Oh
So
my
these
God.
are
Those
rare.
fire.
These are rare Koki taillights for the A86. These are JDM, and they've only came from Japan, I believe so.
Yeah.
But they're very, very rare, very expensive. I don't want to talk how much I paid for them, but
they're sick.
they're
though.
cool. They're cool.
sick,
That's
dude.
how it
Yeah.
just brings out smiles.
They're sick, dude.
These are Recaros that I've got for the 86 too. I haven't put them in the car yet because I didn't get seat rails for them, so they can't fit in the car just yet.
Okay.
But we will. I'm gonna start. I have one for the passenger. I went to Japan, and I got one for So they're driver's side, but it was for my passenger.
I see.
Yeah, so
I see.
I got to get the passenger side for the JDM for
Nice.
USDM.
This thing is super clean. This thing
Yeah.
is super, super clean.
Yeah, it's really nice black leather.
Oh, yeah.
Still soft.
Very
It's
nice.
really nice.
That's dope.
I have an uncracked dash for the S14.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Maybe when it'll see the sun, it'll crack.
Yeah, maybe, dude. Maybe. And then what about this this transmission that's sitting here on the floor?
So this is the transmission he did pick up for his motor. He has another one, but that we picked up in Tampa.
Mhm.
They're both mystery transmissions, so we don't really know if they're good or not. He doesn't really care. He just wants his car running.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna throw it in there, smack it in. If the transmission's not good, he has another transmission that we can test.
Easy.
So yeah,
There you go. Easy.
yeah, and yeah. Hopefully we'll get his car running soon. I really want him. I want to see a smile on his face. That's the whole thing of this build. I really want to get it ready for him. Just a couple more things to do. I am gonna make it a little bit more nicer for him since we have already like good parts on it and brand new parts where you could just see like it's very beautiful.
That is,
just
yeah. Really nice.
So what I have is this stuff is really good.
Yeah.
This stuff is really good. This is called Illumi Blast. This I've used this on my KA. I'll show you. I'll show you guys some pics of it. It really it doesn't make it look like aluminum because aluminum is pretty much its own thing.
Yeah.
But this is pretty close to making stuff that is like tired. You know what I mean? Just
Right.
oxidized, like aluminum oxidizes and stuff. So
Right.
this stuff really, I love it. I used it for my motor. It came out really great. I'm happy with it. And it's way better than trying to scuff and scratch this and you see the scratches and stuff. This works really good. I have I use for my clear coat for engines, even if it's not technically for the block right here, I still use this engine enamel clear to protect the paint. So this is high temp. It withstands up to 550 degrees, which is, I don't think this motor would get that hot. Hopefully not.
Hopefully not, yeah.
If it did, I don't. It'd probably explode. But yeah. So just good paint. Make it nice. We are for now, when we do get it running, we are gonna have it not turboed because we kind of just want to get it for now. For now, we just want it naturally aspirated.
Yeah.
We want to get it going.
Just running.
He has the ECU for it. This is a stock ECU, I believe. Or no, he said that it was chipped.
Ooh.
He said it was chipped. I'm not too sure. We're not too sure. I'm not. He doesn't know. I don't know. If anything, I have spare ECUs back there next to that can.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
like I have spare ECUs all day. So
Nice.
if anything, we can. But yeah, he got this from the guy. It's actually really nice. These are pretty expensive.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I didn't even see those.
Yeah, so this
Nice.
is the header for it. It's a
Yeah,
long tube
that
header.
is-
This is really nice.
That is nice, bro.
The rest of the exhaust, questionable. From the
maybe.
welds.
Yep, maybe.
Maybe we can hit up Jared. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe we can hit Jared up.
Hit
Get him to
Jared
clean
up.
that up.
Hook my boy up.
Oh, he was pretty low, huh? He's pretty low.
Yeah, there's a hole in it.
Oh no.
Yeah, this
Oh,
guy-
no. Yeah, Jared,
Yeah.
we need you.
Yeah, so the guy was slammed on
He
his
was
car.
probably, yeah, he was probably
If anything, I have another exhaust for him.
No, that should work though.
Yeah,
That
I mean,
should
it's
be fun.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
We'll see.
let's get it running first.
Yeah, there you go.
That's the whole
There you
point.
go.
Thanks for watching the video. If you got this far, I just want to let you know that there is going to be future projects and future builds coming up, as I explained in the video. I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe if you liked what you see. Thank you.